Hey y'all, it's your girl Stacey and Jay, and I'm back with another video. I know I don't talk much in my videos anymore. There's construction going on in my building, so usually all you're hearing is ba-boom, 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 stacker, 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 choo choo. But anyways, you're probably wondering, why does she look like that? Why she look like that? Why she look like a Barbie? Well, today I'm imitating a Bratz doll. Okay, I did my best. I did my best I can do, you know. Here's an inspiration picture. And this is me. Anyways, let's get into the video, y'all. Hey guys, so first I'm gonna prime my lips with the Urban Decay primer. I love this primer, and I go a shade up because I want the colors to pop. We're gonna blend that out evenly. Take your time, you don't have to rush. Pizza break. So now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Jackiana collection. They need to bring it back, honestly. But anyways, the color I'm using right now is Pinker. So I use that as my transition and my base color. And then for my outer crease, I went in with Big Wig, which is a nice purple. And then for my lids, I went in with Supreme. And you want to make sure that you're using a smaller brush when you're doing your outer crease, so you can just get in there and make that precise shape that you want, you know? Now I'm using a black eyeshadow to define the crease, so when I cut the crease, it's just gonna look so precise. And you see how I'm using a small brush? The details really matter when it comes to this look. So now I'm going in with the brush I used on my outer crease, the color Big Wig. I did not dip back in there, I just used what was left, and I just blend everything together so that the colors can melt nicely. So now I'm using a P. base in the color Peach. I put some on the back of my hand, and when you're cutting the crease, especially with the cream, you want to dab it on. You don't want to wipe anything you just put on your eye. You dab your way up. You see how I'm going back and forth, and I keep going forward every time I go back and forth. Now I got Supreme on my lids from the Jackiana palette. Listen, do not laugh at my brush. Do not laugh at it. I love this brush when it comes to packing on. Okay? I love this brush. This is the brush that came with the palette. And it's like that because I am one of those people that are OCD. Right after I'm done doing my makeup, I wash my brushes. Like all the time. So that's why it's like that. So now I take a clean brush and I just blend everything together. With that same brush, I dip into Supreme and I just work my way up. Now I'm using a white base from P. Tapping it in the front to get that gradient look. Yes, I did take a black liner and went over the cut crease to define the look. So now I am taking the access that I had from earlier, the color Supreme, and I am just blending that on top of the white. So I'm priming with my Toshka. I love this primer. It gives me like a soft matte finish. Oh gosh. So now I am concealing. After I conceal, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery foundation. I love it. So now I'm going to buff out my foundation. It's going to give it that nice flawless finish. And then after I buff this out, I'm going to use my makeup sponge and just, make sure everything is intact. So now I'm brightening the skin. This concealer that I'm using is from Too Faced in the color Chestnut. I love this concealer. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter shade. And this brand is from Dose of Color. And I'm just going to brighten the spots that I want to be brightened. So now I came in with my Fenty Pro Concealer. When I tell you that these concealers, foundation sticks, Juvia's Place, you did that. This formula is amazing. I'm using this to contour. This is the color Krishna. It just blends so beautifully. Now I'm using my buffer brush, the same one that I used to buff out my foundation, to blend out my concealer. And the reason why I use my foundation brush is so I can get that nice blend. So now I'm just going to use my makeup sponge and blend everything out. When I say this is the best powder ever, that powder I just showed you guys from Beauty Bakery, I use the color Plantain. It's the most perfect powder I've used. Eesh, when I tell you, I will continue to pick up the duty fees for that one now. I will do it. I will do it. So now I'm bronzing. Now I'm bronzing. I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and you see how heavy I'm going. I'm really trying to look snatched, okay? So now I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder in the color Deep, and I'm just blending everything together. Setting and blending, that's what we do best. So now we're going to set everything with a setting spray. It's my favorite one from Urban Decay. Now I'm going into my Color Rain Duo palette. There's a highlighter and a blush. I'm using the pink blush. It's so pretty. And yes, I'm using the same brush that I used to set everything. Okay. I also go over my nose for that sun-kissed look. And then I did go over the nape of my forehead. And now I'm using my Artist Couture highlighter. The color is called Illuminati, but we don't say those things here, okay? Honestly, doing this look was so nerve-wracking and so much fun. I had a lot of fun, you know. I may not look exactly like a Bratz doll, but I did the look and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. And if you recreate this look, let me know. Let me know if you recreated what I recreated from the Bratz. Anyways, but yeah. Let me know in the comment section below. Happy holidays. Have a great one. Stay blessed and be blessed. I'm a Barbie today, guys. I'm a Bratz doll to be exact, okay?